Question 10 of this exercise says, from a circular card sheet of radius 14 cm, two circles of radius 3.5 cm and a rectangle of length 3 cm and breadth 1 cm are removed. Find the area of the remaining sheet. So as we can see in the figure, two circles of radius 3.5 cm is removed and a rectangle of length 3 cm and breadth 1 cm is removed. So basically we need to subtract the area of these two circles and rectangle from the area of the circular sheet of radius 14 cm. So let's find the area of the remaining sheet. That basically equals to the area of the circular card sheet of radius 14 cm minus the area of two circle of radius 3.5 cm minus the area of rectangle of length 3 cm and breadth 1 cm. So pi is given, that is 22/7 multiplied by the radius of the card sheet of radius 14 cm, that is 14 square, and we need to subtract 2 times, as there are two circles, 22/7 into 3.5 square. And we also need to subtract the area of the rectangle, that is 3 into 1. So on solving this, we will get 616 minus 77 minus 3. So on simplifying this, we will get 536 square centimeter. So that will be the area of the remaining sheet.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.